Hello, I'm Congressman Donald Payne Jr. I apologize for my absence. I truly wish that I could be there tonight to celebrate community integration as you work together to forge new paths to inclusion. Unfortunately, I must be in Washington as Congress works to reopen the government. I want to thank Executive Director Nancy Gagnier for inviting me and for her tremendous work and vision. I want to also congratulate the South Orange Maplewood Community Coalition on Race for your important work as you build a stronger and healthier suburban community through integration. I also want to congratulate tonight's honorees, Dr. Phyllis Peterman and Ms. Ellen Greenfield, for your tremendous work in creating a more loving and thriving community here in Maplewood and South Orange that will be the model for the state of New Jersey and the country. We've come a long way since the civil rights movement, but some days it can feel like we haven't made any progress at all. Between the Trayvon Martin case and the Supreme Court's recent decisions to gut the Voting Rights Act, it can feel as though we have gone back in time. It is easy to get frustrated and turn to anger, regardless of your race or circumstances. But it is important for groups like the Community Coalition on Race to continue to be an example and the model to the people in your community, especially in times of struggle. And one of the most important things you do here is provide a channel of communication between races to discuss issues like reducing educational and health disparities through integration and inclusion. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said, "People fail to get along because they fear each other. They fear each other because they don't know each other. And they don't know each other because they have not communicated with each other." This organization provides a positive platform for constructive communication to resolve these pressing issues. And that can't be understated. Communication leads to understanding, and understanding leads to action. So continue to not shy away from difficult or uncomfortable conversations. Your efforts have created a safe place for candid discussion to promote understanding, dispel misconceptions, and surface the very issues that perpetuated patterns of segregation and impeded the community's strength and stability. Throughout my career, I have always worked to build a stronger community based on faith, education, and the arts. But it requires the commitment of an entire community, not just a select few individuals. In Washington, I have taken the same approach. The Promised Neighborhoods Act is a bill that I introduced that makes education of a child the priority and the responsibility of an entire community to build a stronger, more successful generation. It ensures that leading organizations across communities are working together to provide holistic education programs to get children to and through college, regardless of what they look like or where they come from. But it takes an entire community integrated, working together to be successful. And I believe that the Community Coalition on Race has been a model for this community approach. So please keep up the good work. Keep fighting for integration, equality, and understanding. Congratulations on all that you have achieved, and I know that you have a partner in your mission. Thank you, and have a great night.